As we all know, training is critical to repairing today's sophisticated vehicles. Did you know Honda offers a variety of training options? We're going to find out what those are next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Back in the mid-2000s, when Honda started adding high-strength and ultra-high-strength steel into its vehicles, they realized these different materials would require unique repair processes. Repairers would have to know what they were working on to repair vehicles properly. Thus, e-learning modules were established through iCar. The courses available include Honda and Acura AC collision repair, Honda and Acura electrical collision repair, Honda and Acura high-strength steel repair, Honda and Acura restraints collision repair, and Honda and Acura TPMS collision repair. Honda tracks the shops that are taking the online classes to make sure their certified shops are keeping up with training. In a Honda ProFirst certified shop, at least 2 technicians and 1 estimator have to take the iCar training, and the shops are subject to renewal each year. Last fall, Honda created space at its training center in Hoffman Estates, Illinois for collision training. Specifically, 2 two-day hands-on courses on ADAS calibration and safety systems and repair planning. In the ADAS class, attendees will learn how to aim radar and cameras and perform scanning and sensor calibration. In the repair planning class, attendees are walked through repair procedures and shown what needs to go on an estimate to make sure techs are doing all the proper procedures to safely fix vehicles. One unique thing they have at the training center is a body shell of a 2020 Honda CR-V where trainees have to identify all strengths of steel and repair recommendations for each material. Another project Honda is working on is an e-learning module on ADAS, which repairers who want to take the hands-on class at the training center will have to take beforehand. This module will familiarize repairers with various ADAS systems. Keeping up on training today is important for many reasons, and there is no shortage of it out there available to you. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.